Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification button to become a part of our community. So today we are going to make the seamless octahedron. To make the seamless octahedron, first take a square paper. You can even take A4 size sheet cut into square. Okay, so let's start by folding it into half like this. Now unfold and fold this edge to this center line like this and crease it. Now unfold and rotate and fold this corner edge to this center line. Now rotate and fold it in half like this. Like this. Now fold this edge here so that there's a sharp point in it at this center line, and take this corner and align it with this line like this. Now crease it and do the same here like this, and this point in it at the center, and this corner is aligned with this line here. Now unfold it like this and open it a little, okay, and push this flap inside this flap like this, and do the same here. Open it a little bit and then fold it like this here, insidewards like this, so that something like a house is made. Now fold this edge to the center line like this and rotate. Now fold this edge to the center line. Now turn over and do the same here like this. Fold it to the center line and fold this part to the center line. Now you should have a model like this. So now take one of the sides and fold it like this on this line here and this, so that it's a cross like this. So a crease is made here like this here. Now do the same on this side like this. Now unfold so that you have a cross mark, okay, and turn over and now do the same like this. Just reverse fold it. Now unfold and reverse fold it here on this crease and unfold. So now that we have folded in across both the sides, unfold, turn over and unfold this. Now open this flap here and fold on inside on this edge. Okay, there should be a crease here like this, a crease here. So let's do the same on all the other sides like this. Now turn over like this and do the same here on the crease and just align it properly. Now on this crease like this. Now we'll fold this here on this existing crease and unfold it like this. Now we'll just push this part inside here like this. Now turn over and do the same on this side. Okay, like this. Now to make the inflating part easier, just pinch these lines like this. This will help in inflating it. Turn over and do the same here. If you want, you can just put your finger inside here like this. Like this. Now do the same here. Like this. Pinch it properly. Here. Now fold it like this here and fold it like this. I mean, put these two corners in an intersection point like this. And now fold this triangular edge here and this one here so that it gets locked, and fold this one over the triangular edge like this, these two. Now unfold this one, the triangular edge like this, and now put this edge inside the triangular one. Okay, open this pocket here and put this flap inside of it simply like this. Let's do the same here. Open the pocket like this and push it inside. Okay, like this. Now just pinch these corners and the seamless octahedron is made. Thanks for watching. Bye.